finally, tell us, you had mentioned that there are some very important points about structuring a company properly due to some IRS difficulties that business owners can experience. So what advice would you give a lot of people who are just starting up a corporation, S Corp versus LLC, that kind of thing?
So first, let me just make it very clear that CorpNet.com is strictly a document filing service, and we cannot provide you with legal, tax, or financial advice. So any guidance that I give on the show today is merely, set for, for guidance, and anybody should definitely consult their attorney or accountant as to what's particularly correct for them. But generally speaking, incorporating your business and getting your business legal properly obviously is going to, save you a ton of headache down the line. And really, you want to do it properly from the get-go because, if you're incorporating and let's say the documents are not properly set up, God forbid down the line if you get sued, somebody can come and pierce the corporate veil and get to your personal assets, So it's really, really important that, when you are considering incorporating your business or forming an LLC, that the proper methods are taken and the proper steps are taken to make sure the documents are filled out properly and correctly and filed properly with the state. And that's why, you had mentioned, why choose CorpNet versus do it your own or an attorney? Well, in answer to your question, Frida, you can do it yourself. And you can use an attorney, or you can use a service such as CorpNet.com. So let's back up and, let's start with the attorney, scenario. If you go to an attorney, my husband is a licensed California bar attorney, and if he retains a client to form a corporation or LLC, he can charge anywhere from $300 to $600 per hour, depending on the complexity of the situation.
Right,
okay?
And I've seen clients, I've had clients come to me and say that they've spent quite a bit of money using an attorney.
Correct. So basically, if it's a matter of, and most small business owners or entrepreneurs, as we all know, it's a one-man company, with fewer than one or two employees or no employees. So if your attorney or accountant has advised you that you need to incorporate or form an LLC for tax purposes, and you know what you need to do, at that juncture, it's pretty simple. You can use a reputable document filing service such as CorpNet.com to fill out the paperwork for you and file it with the state. And the benefits you get out of that is that we guarantee the documents will be filed error-free with the state office, and we guarantee that your filing will be filed with the state and filed timely, and we guarantee a faster turnaround. Plus you prevent you prevent the errors that can happen along the way, such as if you did it on your own. The state requires that the name be cleared prior to you filing the documents with the state. Most small business owners don't know about that,
Right,
that the name
true.
has to be available. Or, most small business owners do not know the specific state requirements as to whether a P.O. box is allowed or not allowed, or whether they can use, their private mailbox address or not. And so, most oftentimes when a small business owner attempts to file these documents on their own with the state office, they run the risk of the filing either being improperly filed or not being filed, and hence taking a longer time. So we suggest for that reason that if it's a simple process whereby there's no financial, complexities or heavy funding being, heavy monies or dollars being transferred into the corporation or LLC, that they consider choosing a document filing service such as CorpNet.com rather than doing it on their own, or paying a lawyer who's going to probably charge 10 times the price of what we would charge, which is a couple of $100 if they chose, for example, our basic package and incorporated with that.